In this video, I will review Quicken Simplifi, demo and review. Quicken Simplifi Pros. Quicken Simplifi is highly praised for its intuitive design, easy setup, which makes it a strong choice for those targeting new budgeting software. It allows users to link multiple bank accounts, credit cards and loans to get a real-time snapshot of their financial situation. One of its best features is the custom spending plan, which breaks down monthly income, fixed expenses and flexible spending, all into a visual, digestible format. The app also supports goal tracking, helping users to save for specific objectives such as emergencies, debt payoff or vacations. Simplifi's watchlist can track spending by category or merchant, giving deeper insight into different habits. It also has greater, alerting users to unusual transactions or spending spikes. Its cloud-based structure ensures that your data is always up to date across multiple devices. The minimalist design enhances focus without overwhelming many users. Another major pro is its strong focus on privacy, user experience. Unlike many free budgeting tools that rely on adverts or selling user data, Quicken Simplifi is an ad-free and subscription-based model, meaning that your information stays private. The visual aspect, such as a pie chart, bar or graph or even summaries, makes understanding financial trends very easy. Users appreciate how quickly Quicken Simplifi learns categorization, preference and how easy it also adjusts to them manually. Quicken updates with the Quicken team, ensuring that bugs are fixed and features are enhanced very regularly. It's also ideal for couples or families who want a simple way to monitor joint finances without navigating many complex tools. Overall, Simplifi offers a powerful yet approachable solution for managing your money with a lot of confidence. However, despite its strength, Quicken Simplifi does not have its shortcomings. The lack of investment tracking is a major downside for many users who want the full spectrum financial view. While the app handles budgeting and expense tracking very well, it's not suitable for those who want to manage their portfolio, retirement accounts or real estate assets. Bank syncing, though, is generally reliable. Occasional falters with small institutions or credit unions leads to missing or duplicate transactions. The mobile app, though functional, does not always match the depth of the desktop version, leading to slight incoherencies or inconsistent experiences. Additionally, Simplifi does not offer integrated billing payment services, a feature that some users come to expect from premium financial tools. There's also limited functionality for business users or freelancers tracking income with multiple sources. If you're looking for tax tools or detailed financial reporting, you may need to supplement with a different software. Another con is its relatively light approach to budgeting. Users coming from You Need a Budget or YNAB may find Simplifi very passive in its methodology, as it does not have a true zero-based budgeting. While it can be appealing for many casual users, power users might miss the granular control of YNAB or Quicken's desktop provider. Furthermore, while Simplifi's interface is user-friendly, it lacks customization in reports and financial visualizations. Customer support is also limited to only chat and email, which there are no live phone support, which can be a huge inconvenience when troubleshooting urgent issues. Also, there is also a 30-day money-back guarantee. While there is no free version, some users may hesitate to buy or to commit to a long trial. These drawbacks make it important to evaluate the features that matter before subscribing to Quicken Simplifi. Price. Quicken Simplifi is priced competitively at $3 per month, billed annually at approximately $36 per year, making it one of the most affordable budgeting tools. This pricing model makes it more accessible than many alternatives, such as YNAB, which is $100 per year, while still offering robust feature set. Unlike free tools such as Mint, Simplifi is free from ads and data sharing practices, offering a cleaner and a more private user experience. For what it offers, real-time syncing, budgeting plans, transaction categorization and goal tracking, the cost seems generally very fair. The app also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, giving users a window to test its features risk-free. There is also no hidden fees or upsells on the app, which is appreciated in a crowded market full of freemium traps. However, not everyone finds the value compelling. Users who need only basic budgeting tools may consider the annual costs unnecessary compared to many free alternatives. Unlike Quicken Deluxe, Simplifi does not come with a bundle with investment tracking, tax tools or retirement calculators, which may leave users feeling like they're paying for less of a comprehensive package. Additionally, there are no monthly billing options, which can be a huge barrier for those who prefer flexibility or just want to try it out for a very short term. As more apps begin offering flexible solution tiers, Simplifi's one-size-fits-all pricing may not appeal to the budget-consumed consumer. Nevertheless, for users who prioritize privacy, Simplifi, and its clean design, the cost is often worth it. Ease of use. Quicken Simplifi excels in user experience, offer one of the most clean and intuitive financial board available. Users can link accounts in minutes, and the app's quick import and categorization transactions. Its interface is modern, uncluttered and optimized for both mobile and desktop versions, which makes it easy to access your budget wherever you are. The layout presents key information clearly. Monthly cash flow, recent activity and upcoming bills are all front and centre on the dashboard. The setup process includes helpful tips and prompts the user to guide new users without overwhelming them. Even those unfamiliar with budgeting software can navigate Simplifi with ease. It avoids jargon and complex wording and uses visual cues to help many users understand their financial health just at a glance. Beyond setup, ongoing use remains simple and streamlined. Users can quickly edit categories, create custom watch lists, adjust budget targets without digging through many settings. Simplifi offers regular reminders and alerts that help users stay on track without being intrusive. The app's performance is very smooth, with minimal lag or crashes, and updates usually bring thoughtful improvements rather than destructive charges. Even complex actions, such as creating saving goals or adjusting recurring expenses, are handled with just a few simple taps. Help resources and tutorials are also embedded within the interface, so users do not have to leave the app to find many answers. Its design and philosophy prioritizes accessibility, making budget manageable and even enjoyable task for many users. Compared to competitors, Quicken Simplifi stands out amongst budgeting apps by finding a balance between simplicity and sophistication. Compared to You Need a Budget, Simplifi is far more beginner-friendly and requires less manual work. You Need a Budget offers detailed zero-based budgeting, but it can come at a steeper learning curve and higher prices. On the other hand, Simplifi offers a guided budgeting plan and watch list that helps users monitor their spending patterns over a long period of time. Compared to Mint, which is usually recent sunset by Intuit, Simplifi offers better data privacy, no ads and also a modern and sleek design. Mint has more built-in financial tools, but is a cluttered interface and ad-driven model, which can be frustrating for many budget-conscious users. Simplifi also integrates more consistently with many different banks or credit unions, reducing syncing errors. When comparing with Personal Capital, Now Empower, Simplifi is less geared towards high net worth individuals and more focused on daily budget. Personal Capital excels in investment tracking and retirement planning, but it lacks in robust budgeting features. Simplifi also compares favourably with many new apps like Monarch Money or Rocket Money, offering a similar feature at a lower price. While Simplifi does not have everything, its emphasis on usability, goal tracking, makes it clearly ideal for many users who want financial clarity without crazy complexity. The users focus on spending habits and saving goals rather than asset allocation or tax optimization. Simplifi is smart and an affordable choice. It's particularly well suited for many individuals and couples who want to stay organised and proactive with their money management. Overall, Quicken Simplifi is a well-designed personal finance app that strikes a solid balance between simplicity and functionality. It's ideal for users who want a clean, ad-free budgeting experience without a steep learning curve. With features like real-time account syncing, automated transaction categorization, custom watch lists and goal tracking, Quicken Simplifi helps users gain a clear understanding of their finances. While it lacks investment tracking and true zero-based budgeting, its strength lies in its intuitive design, privacy-focused operations, and strong mobile accessibility. The affordable annual subscription offers good value for those serious about managing their day-to-day expenses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.